Do you want to know how you can post videos and photos on Threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can post photos and videos on Threads. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Click on this edit or create icon, which is in the middle of your screen. You can see that there's the option of photo. Go ahead and click on it and click on select photos and videos. Now you can go ahead and select the video, click allow, click on it again and then press done. You can see that this video has now been loaded. Now to post it, go ahead and click post. If you want to write any kind of caption, go ahead and write down the caption and then click post. This way you can notice that your video has been up to posting. Now you can click view and you can see that your video has been in queue for post. Now if you want to add a photo, click on create, click on this icon and go to gallery or recents, and then you can post a photo quite easily. So go ahead and click select more photos and click allow all. You can see that there is option of clicking photo, click done, and you can see that you can now post photos as well. This was a video on how you can post videos or photos on Threads. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.